Hi, my name is Silas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Enzymatic Cleaner before actually you order the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Enzymatic Cleaner is that you be careful with the website you're going to order from, because Enzymatic Cleaner is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. In addition, on the official website you will find several real testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles and sources on which the production of Enzymatic Cleaner was inspired. It is important that you visit the official website to check the terms of use, privacy policy, refund policy, and also get support for your queries. So, what is Enzymatic Cleaner? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes. Enzymatic Cleaner works, and, after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will to help you being the all-natural enzymatic that digests the stains and odors lingering in your home. That's because Enzymatic Cleaner contains components with rich properties, which eliminate odors, remove stains, and keep your home healthy and safe. Enzymatic Cleaner focuses on tackling problems such as ketchup on cotton shirt, soda on pillow, mud on carpet, animals' odors. You can use in several home ambience, kitchen, bathroom, pet, and etc. With Enzymatic Cleaner you will get the following benefits: versatile, non-toxic, super powerful, safe. Also important for you to know, Enzymatic Cleaner has no side effects since it is natural. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural. The enzyme concentrate is all natural, non-toxic, and is 100% plant-derived. A proprietary multi-enzyme formula effectively works within minutes to break down organic soils. Like in our stomachs, the enzymes in the cleaner digests the stains and biodegrades it away, thus leaving the surface completely clean. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Enzymatic Cleaner, and you can have results as well. Guarantee. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test Enzymatic Cleaner for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the ClickBank platform, great platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions via email. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Enzymatic Cleaner from and tell you all the benefits that enzyme concentrate can provide you. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Enzymatic Cleaner actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of Enzymatic Cleaner for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.